Hi guys, welcome back to the Nox Bennett channel as we look at some more of the questions for Pep 2024. Let's go guys. Alright, so it says identify two pairs of congruent shapes in the options below. So we're looking for two. Looking at this, we can see that A and C are both congruent. They are the same size. Congruent means they should be the same shape and the same size. Also, if you look closely, we can eliminate this. There's no such shape as these. We can say that D and H are both congruent. So check this side, you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The tall side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there basically this side is 2, this side is 2. So they can fit exactly. So that would be A and C. And D and H. Those two are congruent. Alright, if the ratio of girls to boys on a track team is 5 to 6, choose the two statements below which show possible number of girls to boys on the track team. So they list girls first, so that means girls should be in front, so it's girls to boys. If you look closely, girls is 5 and boys is 6. That means the smaller number should be at the front. So for 24, we can use 4 to reduce it. So 4 into this goes 6 times, and this 5, right? But it should be 5 to 6, not 6 to 5. So we can eliminate these. We can also eliminate this one. So it would be B and C, 5 to 6. Let's move on to 33. Each square below is divided into sections of equal size. Which two squares have 62.5% of its area shaded? So what we have to do is just basically check how many shaded in this. We have 6 out of a possible 8. 6 over 8 is the same as 3/4, which is 75%. So it couldn't be this. C now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 out of 8. That is 50%. So it has to be the other two. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 out of 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8 also. So these two will be our answer. E and B. Let's look at 34. Chris walked to school 18 out of 24 school days in the month of March. Which two values are equivalent to the fraction of the school days? Alright, so it's 18 out of 24. So we can reduce it by dividing by 6. 6 can go into both of them. 6 into that 3, 6 into this 4. So that's 3/4. 3/4 is the same as 75%. 24, 1, 4 to this 25, 3 times that, right? And 75%. So that means it's this as a fraction, as a decimal, and this as a percentage. So it would be A and C. 35, Paul is making output chart using recipe shown below. So we have 12 ounces of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of butter. If Paul is going to double the recipe with 2 responses will determine how many cups of heavy cream. Notice they want heavy cream, so we focus on this 3/4 here. Two way we can do it, we can either double 3/4 by adding 3/4 and 3/4. Same denominator, and we add the top. Alright, this works out to 3 over 2 or 1.5. So we are looking for 1.5, 3 over 2. And that will be double. 36 to 39. For item 36 to a response sheet, so they did one for us. Okay, about that. 36, consider the following statement. below and determine whether they are examples of finite or infinite set. So we have the description. So it said two-digit prime numbers, that would be a finite set. Two-digit numbers stop at 99. Integers with a multiple of 5, that would be an infinite set, that is continuous. No ending. People living in Jamaica, that would be a finite. There's a limit number of persons living in Jamaica. 37. One, 37 now. Alright, it says examine the table, indicate whether column 2 is a factor, a multiple, or a neither a factor nor a multiple of the number in column. So what it wants us to do is to start from column 2 and then column 1. So how we read it, 12 is a factor of 24, that is true. 12 is not a multiple, it's a factor. 9 is a factor, no. 9 is not a factor of 3. However, 9 is a multiple. 30 is a factor. No, it's not. Is it a multiple? No. So that's neither. 150 is a factor of 25. No. But however, it is a multiple of 25. So you keep adding 25, you will eventually get 150. Alright, let's look at 38. Examine the figure below and answer the question 38. Which statement about the figure is true or false? So you have to just tick. The figure has exactly 6 faces. This is a cube. It is indeed have 6 faces, so that is true. The figure has 6 edges. That is not true. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's not about 12 edges. So that would be false. The figure has 8 vertices. Now the vertices is where the lines meet. So yeah, that would be correct. So we have 8 vertices. And the figure has no parallel lines. That is false. It actually have parallel lines. 39. So this will be the final one. The graph below shows the bicycle sale for the first 7 months of 2021. June record the highest sale in bicycles. So let's check. June indeed has the highest bar, so that is true. 7 more bicycles were sold in June than in March. So in March I have 1 here, I have 8 here. However, if you look at the key, it's going up by the dozen. So this is 1 dozen, and this is 8 dozen. So it is actually false. More bicycles were sold in January than in April. January than in April. So here we have January, and here we have April. Actually, more were sold in April. Alright guys, thanks so much for the doubts. I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Give up everybody. Hit the like button guys. Here it's a no video already. Call the number here so you try can get the 876-549-2161. Limited space available.